Page 48, Unit 21, Seasons and Weather.
1. Is it spring?
Yes, it is.
2. Is it summer?
Yes, it is.
3. Is it fall?
Yes, it is.
4. Is it winter?
Yes, it is.
5. What's the weather like today?
It's beautiful today.
6.
It's cold today.
7.
It's cool today.
8.
It's hot today.
9.
It's just right today.
10.
It's warm today.
11. Is there lightning?
Yes, there is.
12. Is there thunder?
Yes, there is.
13. What's the weather like today?
It's cloudy today.
14.
It's rainy today.
15.
It's snowy today.
16.
It's sunny today.
17.
It's windy today.
Well done! Goodbye!